blends everyday practicality with a serious punch of performance. Buckle up, because the C43 AMG is more than just a baby AMG. It's a high-tech, turbocharged thrill ride. Design and exterior. From the outside, the C43 doesn't scream for attention. But look closely, and you'll see the AMG DNA is all over it. The aggressive Panamericana grille, signature LED headlights, quad exhausts, and subtle aerodynamic touches give it a strong, athletic stance. This isn't your average luxury sedan. The 19-inch or optional 20-inch AMG wheels and lowered stance hint that this machine is built for more than just cruising through traffic. It's sleek, sharp, and sophisticated, exactly what you expect from Mercedes-AMG. Interior and tech. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that screams premium performance. Mercedes has packed the C43 with high-end materials, from brushed aluminum to real wood and AMG-specific trim. The sports seats are bolstered just right, with available leather and suede-like microfiber for that performance look and feel. But the real showstopper? The tech. The 11.9-inch portrait-style MBUX infotainment screen is crisp and fast, and it's paired with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Voice control, customizable displays, and AMG-specific readouts keep you connected and in control. Oh, and don't forget the 64-color ambient lighting that turns your night drives into a light show. Engine and performance. The 2025 C43 AMG is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine. Yep, just 4 cylinders. But don't let that fool you. This is no ordinary engine. It's hand-built by AMG and features Formula One-inspired electric turbocharging tech. It cranks out a jaw-dropping 402 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. 0 to 60? Just 4.6 seconds. And thanks to the 48-volt mild hybrid system, there's almost zero turbo lag and a boost in efficiency. Power is delivered through a 9-speed AMG speed-shift transmission and 4-matic all-wheel drive with a rear bias, which means this thing sticks to the road like glue. Driving experience. What sets the C43 apart isn't just raw power. It's how refined that power feels. The AMG Ride Control adaptive suspension adjusts on the fly, making this car equally at home on rough city roads or twisty back roads. It's agile, composed, and incredibly fun to drive. Steering is precise with great feedback, and the brake-by-wire system provides solid stopping power, though some purists might find it lacks a bit of pedal feel. Still, the driving experience is smooth, fast, and confidence-inspiring. Practicality and daily use. Despite all the performance, the C43 is still a C-Class at heart, which means it's surprisingly practical. You get a usable rear seat, decent trunk space, and all the creature comforts a luxury sedan. Heated and ventilated seats, a premium Burmester sound system, and advanced driver assistance features make this an excellent daily driver. Want a car that thrills on weekends but doesn't beat you up on your commute? The C43 might just be your perfect match. Competition and pricing. Now, let's talk numbers. The Mercedes-AMG C43 starts around $60,000, but options can easily push it into the mid-70s. That puts it right in the crosshairs of the BMW M340i, Audi S4, and even the Lexus IS 500. Compared to the M340i, the C43 has more horsepower and more advanced tech, but it's also a bit pricier. The Audi S4 is more understated, but less exciting. And while the Lexus brings a V8 to the party, it can't match the Mercedes in tech or refinement. If you're looking for a perfect mix of modern luxury, cutting-edge engineering, and high-revving fun, the C43 holds its ground, and then some. So, is the 2025 Mercedes-AMG C43 worth it? If you want a car that delivers serious AMG performance without going full C63, the answer is a resounding yes. It's fast, luxurious, high-tech, and surprisingly practical. AMG's smallest sedan is no joke, and it's a blast to drive. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Would you take the C43 over its German rivals? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more automotive content.